Lesson number 8. Okay? You have to bring them to the site and not make them focus on the price. Alam nyo, maraming mga sales agent nagkakamali kasi chat pa lang o text pa lang, minamadali na nila agad mabenta yung property. Ang focus mo in your conversation, especially for leads who are warm and hot, is to have them do the site visit. Okay? Huwag ka lang magbenta. I-focus mo na pumunta sila. Huwag mo always consider that viewing the site is our priority. Okay? Si Marley ang ginagawa. I don't think she was able to sell a property na walang site visit or viewing. Okay? So, make sure that, make sure of that. Okay? Ito yung sample. For example, Hi Marley, grabe. Mas maganda talaga tong property na to kapag nakita mo to in person. Okay? Iba kasi, call lang, no? Hello, Marley! Grabe, thank you for spending time with me. Blah, 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 information, bonding, ganyan, blah, blah, blah. Tapos, by the way, yun na offer ko sa'yo ngayon, mas maganda talaga siya pag nakita mo siya in person. Iba yung ambience, iba yung space, yung pictures lang hindi enough. Kumpara sa So, talagang mas maganda personal to. So, let's schedule a visit this week. Diba? Para makita mo kung swak ba sa'yo yung property. Will Thursday be a good day for you? Assumptive yon. Depende yan sa kausap mo, ha? Baka yung assumptive mo hindi gumana sa mga strong personality. You can adjust always. Okay? Pero the point is, instead of just selling to them the property, make sure na isell mo muna yung site visit. Okay? Sige ha? Meron pa tayong mga spots dito. Take time to read those things. Our scripts that might help you. Basta, remember nyo, majority ng buyers, they make a serious decision to buy the property after viewing it. So, ngayon, ang activity natin, yung mga scripts na binigay ko, i-adjust mo para maging sayo. Okay? Use the scripts we gave you to make a script on your own. Medyo mahaba to kasi kailangan mo ng options eh. Okay? Iba't ibang options eh. Pero, pag ginawa mo na yon, pag nagawa mo na yan, dadali ang buhay mo. So now you know, learn. Okay? So, once you're done, you can proceed to the next module. Once you're done. Okay? So, again, enjoy creating those scripts and see you on the next one. Bye!